So who has something different than 1/8? Let's see. Okay, Maria, what's your table have? What's that? 3/6. So we got 3/6. So they put 1, 2, 3, 3/6, and yeah, that works just fine. Who's got a different one? 2/4. So you took fourths.
5/10.
Oh, 5/10. That'll take a long time to put it together. That's a great one right there. 5/10. Anything different?
6/12.
Oh, and 6/12. Now, all of these fractions, 1/2, 6/12, 4/8, 3/6, 2/4, and 5/10, since they're all, I can't get any further away. Since they're all equal to the same length, what do we call those fractions? What's the word we use for when things are the same on both sides of the fraction? What's that?
Equivalent.
Equivalent. Equivalent. Excellent. Excellent. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be making equivalent fractions first with the pieces. Then we're going to work out a technique to do it without the pieces. Remember, there's a list of, you're going to do half like you've just done. Then you're going to do 1/3. See how many ways you can make 1/3. See how many ways you can make 1/4. And how many ways you can make 2/3. At the bottom, there's some questions. It says, which fraction piece wasn't able to add up to? And we've got 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 2/3, 3/4. There might be more than one answer for those. In your own words, you're going to try to explain why. Now that's an important part for the group work. I want you to get to that point and try to share ideas on why some of these things worked and some of these didn't. Are there any questions so far? Who's got a question? Well, let's see. Denise, when you do find all the stuff that adds up to 1/2, what are you going to do with that information? Because I've got 6/8, I got 6/14, 12, I got 4/8, I got 3/6, I got 2/4. Where should I put them? Where will I write them? On that first one. Great. So you're going to, like we've just done, let's see, 1/2 is equal to, I got 4/8, and I've got 3/6, and I've got 2/4. Okay. So any question what you should do to fill out all the remainder of those? I'm going to give you 5 minutes to work with your group to finish up all of those, all right? So I'll start the timer in a second, yes? Oh, you didn't get a paper. I'll be right up. Did you get an extra? I thought that extra. Great. Thank you very much, Denise. Okay. So you got 5 minutes. Okay, so you guys are working on thirds. Cool. Are there any other ways to? Very nice. Are there any other ways to make the 1/2? Those are the only ways. Okay. All right. Do you know how to do this? Like this? Okay, so do it like this too. And show what you mean, because I want to get your information.
And you too.
What? So you're doing thirds? How many, that's, the timer's only 5 minutes to do this. Now you've got 4 minutes to do this. So did you finish up all the halves already? So there's only 3 ways to do half? What's another way you have? Well, how not everybody has this? So I tell you what, you need to, let's not hog this. Please stay out of the way. All right. Let's put this here. And so you got thirds. Yep.
I'm doing 4.
Let's do 4. How many ways can you make 1/4 with different pieces? finished all the possible ways of doing 1/2? Alright. And what's the biggest denominator you use to make that? The biggest denominator. Did you use 12? So let's see if they, oh, I see it on your paper. I don't see it on Caesar's paper. Or on your paper. So, how many 12s will it take? Check it out. Yeah. So how well, you mean mix them up with this? This is a great technique. We're not going to do that just yet. We're going to get to that. How many ways did you come up with 1/2? You got 5 ways. Those look good. 1/3 is good. 1/3. How many ways do you make 1/3? How many times is this? You've got 1/3. 4 12. There's another way you can do 1/3. So there's probably another 1/3 piece on the side. 10 work to do it? Okay. Alright. Are you making thirds yet? There's thirds. How many 6 did it take to make 1/3? To make 1/3? I'm not looking at 4 6. I'm not looking at. Well, hold 1/3 up in the air. Okay, all right. That's 1/3. So that's for 1/3. What is that? 2 6. Okay. What's that? So, and you also got 4 12s. Now you're working as a group, so make sure you're all doing this. So you might want to get some of these pieces because you're falling over behind. Miguel's all caught up. So how are you doing? The halves. Were there other ways to get half? I see 4 8s, I see 3 6, I see 2 4s. Did you find any other ways? I see some other ways over here. See it? Are there other ways to make 1/2? Well, Catherine, hand her the half piece. The half piece, hand it to her. Okay. And use something that you haven't used. Already used 6, 4ths, and 8s. Use something different that you haven't used yet. 12s, okay. And Catherine, you're going to have to share your 12s with Celia here. Please.
For 2/3 and 6 and 8 total.
All right.